WordPress has become one of the most popular platforms, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress website. Hey guys, my name is Kashif and let's get started. So here in this video we will use Hostinger for domain and hosting. Click on the first link in the description of this video and you will be redirected to this page. Go to the products tab and select domain name search. Type your domain name and click on search. Click on add to cart and again click on view cart and checkout. Click on this box if you want to hide personal information of your domain. Now from here we can choose web hosting plan. You can choose single web hosting, which is only $45 Indian rupees per month. If you want to manage one website and if you are a beginner, single web hosting is good to go. I'm selecting business web hosting. I'm getting 4 times processing power and memory, a daily backup, free SSL certificate, unlimited email account. I selected for 48 months, but you can try for 1 month also. Use TechFire coupon code for 15% more discount. Click on checkout button and sign up and complete the payment. Now after successful payment, check your email and check verification email to complete the setup account. It's time for domain registration, so click on the setup button. Enter all the mandatory details and click on setup. Now click on continue button to go back to control panel. Go to Home tab and select Web Hosting option. Pick your domain and click on Continue. Installing WordPress can be done with just a few clicks from Hostinger control panel. You will be able to launch a WordPress site in just a couple of minutes. Click on Install WordPress. Now click on Manage button. Once you access the Hostinger dashboard, click on the auto installer icon. Find the WordPress button and simply press on it. Type in the necessary details like the username you use to log in the WordPress dashboard, the password that you have to type in to enter the WordPress admin area. Enter an active email address as it will be used for notification and password reset. Your website's title and click on install button. So our WordPress installation has been completed. If you also selected premium or business web hosting, then you have to activate SSL certificate and Cloudflare CDN for better website optimization. So go to Hostinger Home, click on SSL certificate activation and click on setup button. An SSL has been activated successfully. Again go to Home tab and select the Cloudflare protection button and click on setup button. And your Cloudflare service has been activated. Now here you can see website is working fine. Now you have to choose a theme to make sure it looks and functions well. The best thing about WordPress is that it has a staggering amount of themes to choose from. You'll have to choose and install plugin that will help to extend the functionality of your sites, such as admin enhancements, website security and much more. Now you know how to launch a WordPress website. It's not hard at all. If you have any questions related to this, you can ask here in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.